Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to price the services you offer. Whether you're creating short-form videos, managing social accounts, or running paid ads. Whether you are a solo social media manager or you're launching your own agency, I'm going to break down how to structure your packages, tier your pricing, and set numbers that make real business sense. Stick around until the end because I'm also going to share how a tool like Vizard can save you serious time and significantly boost your profit margins without any of the typical hard selling. Let's start by covering the 3 core services we'll be discussing: short-form video creation, full social media management, and paid advertising campaigns. While many creators mix organic and paid work, you really need to treat ad pricing as a completely different beast since it involves complex tracking, specific budgets, and constant testing. Before setting any package prices, you need to ask yourself how much you actually want to make, because your rates must reflect both your financial goals and your real operating costs. If you plan to scale and hire people to help you, payroll becomes a significant expense that you absolutely cannot ignore. To ensure consistent profit, you must bake in healthy margins for things like taxes, healthcare, retirement savings, vacation time, and all your recurring software and gear costs. You also need to identify your ideal client, because a solo founder doing $50,000 a year cannot pay the same rates as a growing 6-figure brand. If your goal is premium pricing, you should go after established brands, other agencies, and companies that already have clear marketing budgets set aside. Remember that the scope of work matters tremendously, so consider how many videos you are producing per week and how much community management you are handling. The more responsibility you take off their plate, the more you should charge, because at the end of the day, time really does equal money. Let's look at short-form video, which is in high demand right now, and discuss the 2 main ways you can package this service. The first is an editing-only package, where you take the client's raw footage, edit it with captions and cuts, and deliver the final files without managing the account yourself. This is a great lower-touch entry-level offer that you could price between $600 to $800 per month for roughly 8 to 12 videos. You must be very clear about your deliverables, specifying exactly how many videos, what file formats are included, the number of revisions, and your promised turnaround time. The second option is full short-form management, where you handle editing, posting, and strategy, including writing captions and optimizing hooks for better reach. A solid mid-tier price for this service would be $1,000 to $1,500, while premium tiers can easily go above $3,000. If you are delivering 20 clips a month and distributing them across TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Pinterest, that higher price is definitely justified. A pro tip is to offer long-form YouTube editing as an add-on, as this requires a different skill set and workflow, which you can charge per video. Moving on to social media management, this is broader than just video, as you are also writing captions, creating graphics, and handling community engagement. An entry-level package might start at $800 a month for 3 posts per week on 2 platforms with basic caption writing. A mid-range package could be $1,200 for 4 posts per week, and a premium package at $2,000 or more would include daily posting and influencer outreach. You can also charge per platform, which is a very simple and effective way to scale your pricing structure as your clients grow. If you offer SEO or blog writing as well, you can create a premium bundle, which makes your services much stickier and more valuable to your clients. Now, let's discuss paid ads, which must have their own contracts and fees, where you charge a management fee on top of the actual ad spend the client pays directly. Ad manager pricing can be a flat monthly fee, a percentage of ad spend, or a hybrid model, but $2,500 is a very common benchmark. The first month usually involves heavy setup like tracking pixels and audience building, which you should account for in your pricing. As you build your agency, you will need to outsource tasks or hire help, which allows you to increase your client load without burning out in the process. To keep your workflow efficient, avoid basic editors that aren't built for scaling because you need tools that can handle dozens of clients at once. This is exactly where a tool like Vizard shines, because it automates the tedious parts like finding viral moments in long videos and turning them into ready-to-post clips. It even includes a content calendar to manage your clips across multiple platforms, which saves you hours of work for every single client you manage. Compared to stitching together a disjointed workflow, Vizard's combination of auto-editing and scheduling is far more practical for agencies that need to scale. You can turn a process that normally takes 4 to 6 hours into one that takes under an hour, which allows you to take on more clients or raise your rates. When you present this to clients, frame it as using a best-in-class workflow that speeds up your turnaround time and ensures better, more consistent quality. Always remember to have clear deliverables in your contracts, like the number of posts, platforms, and turnaround times, and consider setting 3 to 6 month minimums. Start with a lower price to build your case studies if you are new, but don't undersell yourself once you have proven that you can solve business problems. If you want a clean pricing template with the exact line items I use to pitch my own clients, I have a free guide you can download today. Thanks for watching, and if you want me to break down a specific package for e-commerce brands or coaches in more detail, just let me know in the comments.